So guys, as I discussed in my last tutorial, in this tutorial I will teach you how we have to make the icons for our website. So before doing this one, we have to do this final setting for our header. So simply I will go to preview and I will show you how our header is showing. You can see this one. So I don't need this area. You can see this one from here. I don't want this area, so I want my header from here till here. So I don't want this one, so simply this is very simple. I will come again here, dreamweaver. You can see this one. So after that I will simply drag this one from here to up. You can see this one. I am simply dragging to up here. You can see this one. Now I will save this one and again I will refresh this one. Now you will see this one. So now it's seeming better, because before it was more. So now it's seeming better. I will do again little. Okay, because it cannot go because we have the picture. You can see if you want more you have to do the setting for this one. So guys, after that now we want to make our icons. Okay, so I will suggest you to simply come here on the right side and click and push tab from your keyboard. As I click on the tab from the keyboard, you can see this one. There is one more row. The same row has been created. So I want the small this one. So that's why I'm clicking here. So I will suggest you to merge all this one, to select all this line, this row, and simply click here on this merge section. I will tell you how you can do this one. Here in the properties, simply click on merge. So after that all these columns would be merged in the one row, and here I will create again the columns. I want more columns, so I will tell you, simply click here and come to tables, click on the table, and now again I want here I will suggest you, if you have, I want 4 to 5 pages, so I will suggest you to make it I think 10 it's better. 10 or 9 it's better for us. You will see why I am doing it 10. So simply now I will click 8 8 9, like 8 better also, simply. And guys, I don't want the border, so simply I will click on 0. I will remove the 1 and I will click 0 here, because I don't want the border. So now guys, the first one from the right side you have to leave. Simply you can drag from here to here, and here you can write no, I will write from how many pages I need. First I need to decide this one. This would be home. I'm just writing this one, home, about us, after that our services, home, about us, our services, carriers, contact us. I think it's better. So now I will select all. You can see simply, and after that I will come here and I will change the color to white. Okay, so now I will show you how it look like. We will do the is customization later. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, so now we want to do the setting for this one. How we have to do? It's very easy guys. Simply I will click here and I will drag this one to the right side. Simply come here and drag this one here. Simply drag this one here. See guys, this is very important. So that's why I created more columns, and simply we can write and we can drag according to our own choice. We are not doing any coding, we are not writing any HTML, we are simply doing our work in a very simple way. See, now I will save and I will see again how it's look like. Now if you want more on right side, you can do this one. There is the gaps also guys. I'm just writing here, later we will do the customization proper. You don't need to worry about that. We will do something good here, inshallah. Now I will save. It's better now. Okay, so this our header has been completed. So one thing is remaining, I will do it later. I want the button here. I will teach you how we can make button for our websites. You don't need to worry about that, guys. We will make the buttons, we will make the image sliders, we will do all the things without doing any coding. Don't worry. So simply I have wrote here. So this is the section. Here we will do the make the button later. If you want on the right side more, you can simply do from here. Simply do here, drag, drag, drag. It's up to you. You can drag. Now I will save again and I will see here. See, because we have to do the setting again, so don't you need to worry about this one. I will later we will do setting in a professional way. See this one. Okay, so don't worry about that. We will do the setting proper later. You can see this one. So we will do the setting later. So this header section is our completed. Here your would be logo, here your company name, here telephone number, here, or if you want to write, so here there would be our menus. So guys, we will create the professional button here. You will see it would be very fascinating, so you don't need to worry about this one. I will make the button and I will teach you. You can make very easily, don't need to worry about that. So after that, next step is that I will click here, because we created already one column. You can see this one, this row, one row, one column. You can see this one. So we have to, now we need image slider here. I want the image slider here, image slider. I will simply save this one and I will show you how it looks like. I want here image slider. So how we can make the image slider? So before doing this one, I will make here the size, which size we need. I will simply delete this one, and after that I will create one more tab. Before doing any work, we extra need one tab down. This is important, guys. Don't do any work, because now see, I don't have any tab after that. This is the last one, this is the last row. So I want to do the work on this row, so that's why I need one row more extra. So simply I will click here and I will tab. So there is one row now. So now I want to do the slider work here. So I will click here. Simply we will go again on the table. We all our work would be in tables. Please guys, this is very important. I will go to tables and now I will create here one row, and I will suggest you to make 4 now, 3 or 4. One is better extra if you can do this one. So you can drag this one from here to here, and this one here, and this one here. So now I want on this section the slider. So for the time being, I will see if I have any image. No, I don't have. So I will take any image. Let's suppose I will take this one to the image section. So I can create one folder, slide, image slider, image slider. Guys, please don't write anything in capital. All the things in the website should be small letters, like folder, like page name, like images name. All the things should be in folder. If there is any in capital, you can edit and you can make in small before doing work for website. So now I have kept in that folder. I will click here again. I will click here. I will go to image. Simply I will go to live with Ahmed page folder. After that images. After that image slider folder I created, and I will select this one. If you want to write any alternate text, you can write here. If I want image slider, I will simply click OK. See guys, I will show you properties. See, this is the image size. If you will do this image size in the Adobe Photoshop, it's better. If you know, you can do there. If you don't know, simply come here, and now I will write here 850 width, and height there should be 350. We will do. If there would be any problem, we can change later. Don't worry about this. We don't need to worry. Now I will Control S, save, and I will go again to my website and I will see how it looks like now. See guys, this is our image game. So in this section we will create our image slider. You don't need to worry how we have to create the image slider. I will teach you in a very simple way. You don't need to do even any coding. because here I think the width is more. I will reduce the width from here. Simply click here on the image. Even you can do by doing like that, or even click here and you can do from here, width and height section. It's up to you. Now I will save again and open to the website and that. See, I think it looks better. If you want more width, you can do this one. Height, I think so it's better. If you want to reduce more, you can do. Simply come here and do this one. If you want to increase from here, you can also do. Save, refresh. See how it looks like. I think if it would be more litter, then maybe it's better. Again open that and refresh it. So I think it okay. So we have selected this size. What is this? 923 and 281. Okay, I think it's better. If you want to reduce more, you can do from here. Save, refresh. This size, I think so is better. If you want to increase, it's up to you. You can do this one. Don't worry. I think this is better. Guys, I am just for the time being I am inserting the picture here. Later in the next tutorials I will teach you how can we make image slider. So we will make image slider and we will replace on that. Don't worry guys, we will make here image slider. I will tell you how image slider look like. I will open any website because I have, you can see this one. See this image slider. Maybe there is a problem, it's not working, so we can open any other website. I will check again if it is working. Yes, now it's working. See, we will make any image slider like that. It would be very beautiful for a website. You don't need to worry that we will not do any coding. We will do without using the codes. I just want to show you. You have seen how what is image slider. Our image slider would be like that. So now the important one more thing. So now I have to tell you one more thing. See guys, here the space is less and here the space is more. You can see this one. This space is more. So simply we can drag to that columns. See, we simply can drag this one. See, now I will save. So that's why I created more. You can see this one. If it is equal from both sides, then you can leave this one. If you want to do little more, you can do more. So that's why I suggested you to please make more columns, because we have to do all our works in columns. So guys, till now I did not do anything. I did not write any code. I am just doing my work with the help of this software. Please be patient and stay with me. You can see this one. If you think there is more space here, there is less space, you can simply drag. You can simply see this one here. You can simply do this one. So I think this is better now. It seems better. So this icons and this image sliders we will do after making this work. Now I want here the services are about my company. It up to me. I think now we will open the template. So we have to decide what would be next. So we will get the idea, web templates. So I will get the idea what should I do the next. Here I can write the services. Here I can give the detail about my company. Okay. Here meet our team, recent news. Okay, you can do this one also. I think this is seeming better to me. This is seeming better to me. Here I can write here about my company and here the recent news. This is seeming better to me. But again, it's up to us. You can do anything. This is here we have services. This idea is looking better to me. I think if I will do this one, this would be better. Again, it's up to us. We just have to take the idea what should be the next. How can we, because we don't know anything. You are the beginners, so that's why you have to see the websites and you have to get the idea. So I think So guys, I think so this is better. Here we will write in our page here about our company detail, and after that here the recent news. I think this is better. So here we come. Because we have one row now, so I will suggest you to make one row more before doing the work on this. So now we have to do the work here. So I will create again the table here. You can see this one. Simply click here, come to tables, and create 4 to 5 columns again. 5 columns now again. I have created 5 columns. So this would become here. I will not do. There should be one on the right side. Don't do anything here because you can drag simply here, 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 anywhere. And there should be one you need to leave on your left side. So you can see this one. Okay, so what I want to do now, on this section I want the news, and on this section I think 6 is better, 5 is not enough. Simply come here, merge this one, because we need here 6. I will create here the 6. So I will leave one here, and similarly I will leave one here, and I will see here how I have to news here. Similarly I want to leave this one here. Okay, so now I will drag this one here, and I have about my company. Okay, so now I will save this one, and I will see how it looks like. See guys, this there would be here about my company. If you want this section on left side, simply come here. That's why I told you before, please make more. Drag this one here and drag this one here. If you want more, you can come here and you can do. Very easy. There is no any problem. See? Okay, so here I want to do the planning. I want here the one image here on right side or left side, it's up to you. You can do anywhere. And in the news section I want the news. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, yes. So guys, here please be careful. This is very important step, because I need more space. So what I have to do, I will simply click here from keyboard, enter, enter, enter. You can see this one. Simply I'm not doing anything, simply clicking from keyboard, enter. I'm not doing anything, simply I am doing enter, enter, enter from keyboard. Okay, so here again we need to make the, I think this section is enough. If we can make this one, I will just write here the border. I want to see how it would look like, so later we will remove the borders. I think this section is better. This is better. If we want more, we can do more space also, but I think so this size is better. We can do work in this, we can, it's better for us. So guys, I don't want the border, so I will remove here 0. So please, in the next tutorial I will teach you how can we make our about our company here and our news section, how can we create this one. So please be patient with me. As I have committed in the first tutorial, you don't need to worry about that, how you can make website without HTML. I did not use anything guys, I did not use. So please be patient, we will also make the image slider and we will also make the icons, and please be stay with me. So now I will tell you how can we write about my company. So please be patient, and guys, if you still did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.